Hi, my name is Christopher Loubser. I am the crop care segment lead at Jupidex. The geo-licensing on the GEOspread, so the GEOspreads are our fertilizer spreaders, our twin disc spreaders. The geo part of it is the precision part, the ISOBUS part of the spreaders. We have a new number in the range that has been launched, a 1300 GEOspread, and then we have the 1875 litre GEOspread as well. And we are proud to say now that all the GEOspreads will be coming with their geo-licensing, including in the machines. You now have a full ISOBUS system, a full ISOBUS machine that is basically constantly weighing your spread. It's constantly checking where it is in the field via geolocating. It is now section controlling. It is variable rate in the sense that if you do get to a border and the border gets close to the edge of the machine, instead of spreading over the border, the section controls will start switching off and it'll spread only onto the border. The variable rate part of it is when you get up to a certain speed, it'll control it according to that speed. If you do reduce your speed, it'll reduce the rate to stay to a target. The best part of it is the fact that it's a cost saving, and it's a lot more precise. That's why it's part of the precision farming equipment. And obviously, as I said, to keep your application constant, to make sure that you can do it according to prescriptions, for instance, so you can write a variable rate application map for it, and it'll go according to what that field needs. So ISOBUS is a universal language for equipment and tractors to communicate via and to send commands via. Geocontrol is the licensing part of the function that controls all our Governorland ISOBUS or precision equipment, knowing exactly where it is in that field, giving it the task and telling it what it needs to be doing in that field, and leaving the capability with the machine to actually do what is expected of. Any ISOBUS machine will work on any other ISOBUS terminal, which is a very smart feature to have. So we are proud to say that on the GEOspreads, the geo license is part of the machine. With the purchase of the machine, it comes with that. There's no yearly renewals. It marries with the machine. It stays with the machine. And then just with the terminals, you have a once-off fee with the terminal to open up the variable rate or to open up the section control, and that stays with the machine as well. There are no updates or no yearly fees to be paying on that for use. We offer a package where you can take a tractor that is non-ISOBUS, it has no electronics in it, and to go from that to complete ISOBUS. So it's the full harness, the terminal set, the antenna set, and then obviously the ISOBUS plugs in the back to connect any of the machinery to. So on the TELUS system, we have the TELUS Pro. We also have the TELUS Go Plus. So it's just two different versions. It's one slightly bigger than the other one. And what's nice about it, that's the full terminal set. So it's the full control set. So that'll run with, both of them have the variable rate capacity and also the section control capacity to control your equipment, whether it be just the different rates that they need to be applying to, all the sections and the mapping that it needs to be working in the field. So all that you'll need basically is the tractor and the ISOBUS equipment or implement, if I can say it in that way. For the tractor, as I said, there are complete ISOBUS terminal packages available to take a tractor from non-ISOBUS to full ISOBUS, and then the only thing that you need from there is the actual ISOBUS implement to connect to that, and then we can work. Technology-wise, we ensure that we make absolute use of training, technology, ensure and make they understand the technology. We make full use of the connectivity to make sure that we are that 1 foot closer to the farmer, making sure that the dealers are also on top with training and the use of the equipment to make sure that when a fault or if something like that occurs, everyone is ready for action, and making sure that we can get to that area a lot quicker and make sure we get them back up and running a lot quicker. With that, I'd like to just say we're excited for the future, for the new equipment that's coming in, for the guys can keep an eye out for the new tech that we're going to be launching, and making sure that we get the smarter, more efficient equipment out there, the solutions that you guys want on the farms for us to assist you with. So if there are any inquiries regarding farmers would like to get in contact with us or want to find out a bit more about our equipment, or even if there's a technical inquiry or spares inquiry, we've got a range of dealers throughout the whole of South Africa, up into Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, all the way up into Kenya. Just on our Jupidex website, www.jupidex.co.za, you can go and view the dealer location on there, or just send us a mail on info@jupidex.co.za.